Thank you for saying that. Honestly, I am so excited for this line, and I really do think it's going to do well. Everyone has been putting so much work into it, and I've never felt more confident in my team.
Yeah. I mean, I wish that team didn't have to include Thomas, but it is what it is. I know you think he's mellowed out. I can't.
All I was trying to say before is that I don't think he's fixated on me. And that is something we should both be thankful for.
You're alive? Oh, this isn't real. It can't be.
But it is. Don't be afraid. I'm here. I'm all yours.